How to make a DIY simple dimple. The things you'll be needing are hot glue gun, some post-it notes, some cardboard, and lastly some paper and scissors. First thing you're going to do is take your paper and trace out the shape of a simple dimple. Alright, now let's fold it in half and cut it. Done! Now take this and trace it onto cardboard. Now that we have these cut out, let's hot glue the paper on top. Done! Now take your post-it notes. You can pick whatever two colors you want. You're going to draw some circles on them and then cut them out. Done! Now let's take these out. Alrighty, now if these are nice and sturdy, cut a slit about halfway. Just like this. Now put some hot glue right here and take this half and fold it on top just like this. Now you should have a cone shape. Hot glue them on the back, put some duct tape on top, then glue the other half on. And now, there you go.
I'm the Nelly in the party with some rocks for ears. I'm a slave for you, baby, Miss Britney Spears. I'm a Clover, she a Taurus, bring it on for cheers. And I'm sexy like Christina when I dip below. Not an H-Town girl, but I rodeo. Yippee, yippee, Kanye, welcome to the show. It's an all-girl party, clothing optional.
Me and your girlfriend playing dress up at my house. I gave your girlfriend cunnilingus on my couch. She cute, kawaii, hentai boobies that excite me. I think she really likes me as politely can I.
Tap, 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 wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to